Salutations everyone, Preston Condra here, and now what this video is going to be about is that I'm going to be showing you how to import more than one song in the Windows Movie Maker. Now the first thing first you're going to do is import any kind of video or photo it is that you have saved to your computer into the timeline of Windows Movie Maker. Let's just go with this one, and make it however long you want, like let's try 120 seconds, which is the equivalent of 2 minutes. You can see the video is 2 minutes in length. Now, step 1, go to add music. You can import any kind of MP3 file it is that you want. Crap. Just go to downloads, import this Three Doors Down song in. Now, crank up the volume all the way. That's where the music volumes is at. Now, step number 2, how do you import a second song into Movie Maker? I'll show you. Go back to the home page here. Go to Record Narration. Click that. Click Add Sound. Now, you can import another song or MP3 file into Movie Maker. Let's click this Beyonce song that it is that I was searching up. And crank that up. And you'll hear both songs playing simultaneously at the same time. Now let's go. Now to confirm this one more time, let's just click another random part of the timeline. Where's my stupid mouse? Okay, there it is. Yeah, Three Doors Down and Beyonce do not mix. Well, there you have it. There was a quick example of showing you how to import more than one song in the Windows Movie Maker. This is Preston Condra signing off for now. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and bye!